Okay, hey guys, welcome back to Anna and Anna's channel. It's me, Anna, back with another video. What the heck is that? Yeah, it's something. Okay, guys, you wanna know something? A secret hint. So, Vanya and me were on a video call and we were doing something special for you guys, and it is really hard. So it's really hard. Okay, so you guys need to subscribe. So if you want to see that surprise, you have to make 100 subscribers till October 2nd, because from October videos are coming. Like, you are gonna be excited, like videos that we are gonna do together, but I cannot tell you what kind. Okay, so as you saw from the title, I bought I ordered 3 rare fidgets. That the fidgets are so rare in the fidget world. So yeah, I'm gonna be unboxing those fidgets. So I opened one fidget, but I didn't open the two. It came in this box. Okay, so let's start. So I'm gonna start with the there it is. This one I have opened. So it is a dimple digit. So as you guys know, a dimple digit is very rare in the fidget world. So yeah, I am just feeling crazy right now. Okay, so this is a dimple digit, as you can see. So it has Spanish or France, I don't know. Uno, dos, tres. What is this? It makes a good sound. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho, nueve, yeah, I don't know what they're called. Okay, and this is simple 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so let's move on to the next rare fidget. Ooh, I have not opened this yet, like once. So I know what this is because I ordered it, but I am not like. It doesn't feel like a fidget, but it's too slim. Let me rip off the package. This is hard. Okay, now we have like this. Classic puppet. Where to open this? I haven't even opened this. As you can see, I have a plastic wrap about this. I can't believe I have this in my hands. Oh my god. A classic puppet is in my hand. A classic puppet. It doesn't make any loud voices because this was the first one and they did not like invent the loud sound. It kind of makes a loud noise. Yeah, it does. Okay, so it is a rainbow. A classic puppet is a rainbow. Okay, Anna's mind is because she's excited. Okay, so this is a classic puppet, as you can see. This is my first time having a square puppet because I don't have any square puppet. I have a circle puppet, but I don't have any square puppet. So, ooh yeah. Okay, next. Now is the last and the most. It's a mega puppet, as you can see. It's a mega Pikachu pop. Wow. It's a giant. Oh my god. It's bigger than my face. It have to be like this. Oh my god. It's bigger than my face. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is too big. Look at this. And Pikachu. And Pikachu. Oh my god. This is huge. Like, oh my god. This is my first mega puppet. This is my first ever mega puppet. Like, in my whole entire life, I never had a mega puppet or a dimple digit or a classic puppet. But I wasn't that excited about this because they are puppets and dimples. But this was a jumbo one. Like, oh my god, I was excited about this because, like, if I didn't buy it now, it was out of stock. This was the last piece. My mother said let's order it tomorrow, and tomorrow it got sold. I'm so happy that I bought this. It's a gigantic. Oh my god, it's long as my table. Look at this thing. It's huge. Does it have a loud side? Yeah, it does. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. It's huge. This is so big. Oh my god. This is so big. I didn't expect it to be that big. I thought it would be like this, like right here till there. No, but it's big. But it's so big. It can't even fit in. By the way, it's a Pikachu. If you don't know, yeah, you probably know, but Pikachu. Pikachu. So cute, and it's rainbow. Yeah. So guys, that were my 3 rarest fidget. I'm going to show you all. This is called the classic puppet, the dimple digit, and the mega puppet. So I'm going to tell you out of 3. Okay, so let's start with the lowest. So the classic puppet is the, like, at 3rd place in the rarest. This is at 2nd place, and obviously this is at 1st. This is so big. It will take me at least 20 minutes to pop all of this. Okay, bye guys. Hope you liked the video. If you did, please give a big thumbs up, like, share, subscribe. Goal 100 subscribers, so we can do a special video in October. So you better subscribe.